What makes me qualified to rate your setups? Absolutely nothing. But also everything. And we're back. It's episode 4, 5, pretty sure 5. And 5 more setups for me to review. Give my opinions, give my tips, give my words. I'm going to try to keep it under 15 minutes. I keep failing. I'm aiming for 10. But I got a big mouth and I keep talking. So let's go right into it. And first we got this nice blue setup. My thoughts: clean. I like the sound foam. I don't know anything about sound foam besides people use it. I like the pattern. I like you got a nice blue aesthetic. The rug's weird, but okay. I don't like boxes. Hide your boxes. If you have your component boxes, I understand the point of keeping them for warranties and all that. But we don't need to see it. Out of sight, out of mind. Put it in the closet. Fold it up. Get rid of it. Like the One Piece stuff, like the Xbox stuff. I like the racing sim chair. Even though you're playing, that's not Rocket League. I'm blind. Yeah, let's look at another angle. Every time, another angle. So now we can see more of the setup. I'm gonna stick on this page. My first immediate thought was, no. Everything in the setup screams like mature, teenager, maybe adult, just like high double-digit age. But then this clock just screams belongs in a room for a child. So get rid of it. You got so many things here. I'm pretty sure somebody else could tell you the time. The other thing is this looks very cramped. I like the racing sim and I like the equipment, and it looks all cool and stuff here. But then I see the sofa the casting couch right here, and then something else right here. So I feel like this is really cramped. So find a way to reorganize it. Obviously, if you have a small room, you can't. But find something. Maybe since you have a racing gaming chair, maybe get rid of this and then slide this over and find a way to fix it to the ground so it won't move on the wheels when you're racing. And do something like that. Just keep this but get rid of this, because it looks like it's very crowded. And yeah, that's weird. Other than that, your clock needs to go. Cable management. You have so much. Your furniture is helping you, and your equipment's helping you because you can't really see the cables because everything is blocking it. But yeah, the boxes need to go away. Keep them if you want for warranties or moving and stuff, but hide them. Put a curtain or something. Cover this up. That's my main. This and the sofa and the space are my main complaints. Find a better layout to make room, because it looks like if you sit down, your feet touch the bottom of the chair, and that's too cramped. But maybe it's just you, and maybe you don't have guests over and stuff, and you have no problem sitting on the sofa and the chair whenever you need to. So if that's the case, fine. But also this needs to go. The racing car is cool, broken down and artsy, but this needs to go. Everything else noise and clean. Yeah, main complaint: boxes, sofa, watch. Overall review score 7 out of nope. I'm gonna give you 7.5 out of 10. Okay, moving on. This is actually the before picture. I don't know why I put it out of order. Or this after. This is the before. So let's all take this in. How ugly this is. So I'll suck up the ugly for a second. Okay, we got the ugly. I like before and afters because it makes you realize oh, this is a way bigger improvement because now we're here. Less ugly. I like the monitor setup. He definitely cleaned up, because I don't want to jump around too much, but real quick. Different types of monitors. You got 2 identical and you got, are they all the same? They're all the same brand, but I don't know if they're the same type. It looks like 3 different types. The desk is hideous. The drawers don't match. If you have the money to spend on monitors and this nice looking computer, again, even though I'm not a fan of the Alex IKEA drawer combo, it's cheap. You could buy just the legs and the tabletop for $20, $30 if there's an IKEA next to you, because IKEA shipping's ridiculous. But if there's an IKEA next to you, that is a simple, cheap solution to go from too nice. Even Amazon, if you have Amazon Prime's catching up to IKEA, and I see a lot of like IKEA ripoffs of their desk on Amazon that have good reviews and are cheap, like under $100. So buy something, swap that desk out, because you're using the same desk and you're trying to hide the ugly. I see the ugly. That desk is ugly. Other than that, I like the personalized stuff, medals, awards, Pearl Jam. Your wallpaper's cool, the setup's cool. Your equipment is like the highest marks here. Your equipment's cool, everything's nice and symmetrical and even. So there you get a good score. Your desk and the actual stuff that's holding up the cool stuff is fugly. You invested in a fourth monitor because these two are they the same ones? Did you buy 3 new ones? I'm gonna assume these are the same monitors and you just bought a fourth one. Instead of buying the fourth monitor, you should just use that money to buy a table, because a fourth monitor is the same price as a decent, like, low price desk. So for that, 7. No, your desk is really ugly. Your cables too, 6.5 out of 10. Everything's getting 6 to 8. No, that one guy got a bad score. Got an ugly ass foldable table. But yeah, 6.5 out of 10. My main complaint, I'm assuming there's cable issues, because it looks like a rope, but yeah, that needs to be cleaned up. Your cables need to be cleaned up from what I'm imagining. Whatever this is. Your equipment's cool. Your desk is the biggest thing. Your desk, the fourth monitor, it looks cool, but you should have spent the money on a better desk. And I'm trying to remember your post, and I think you did mention you're working on getting a desk, but for now, your desk is ugly. Oh God, forgot the ugly. We went from ugly desk to built-in, like, artsy desk. I was gonna say Alex drawer combo, but he customized it a little bit. This might not even be IKEA. This might be an actual countertop from a store. And yeah, cables needs a little work. You definitely did management, because it looks like that's more than one cable bundled together. And the chair's cool. People don't need arms. Like, I wish my chair I could take the arms off, because I never use them, and they just make life hard when I try to put my chair in. Side rant. Is that how the speakers work? Doesn't matter. Your cables, I see you try to do cable management with this little cable, this stuff. Elevate your desk. I don't know if you put like a board or something, because your computer's right on the carpet. Maybe your power supply isn't sucking up air from the bottom. Maybe you flipped it and reversed it, Missy Elliott. So yeah, that's. I don't think it's a big fire hazard. People say, oh, you put your computer on the ground, it's gonna cause a fire. How long? You're running your computer for 10 days? But it definitely does suck up all the dust and gunk, which not good for your computer. So yeah, definitely. Maybe you do have a platform there, I just can't see it. But I have a cheap. My computer's also on the floor and carpet, but I bought like a cheap MDF panel and cut it to the slightly bigger dimensions of my computer case, and it's off the ground, and it's sucking up hard surface versus carpet. So yeah, do that. Your cables by themselves, I'll give like a 7.5, 8 out of 10, because they're definitely managed, but I can still see them. Your monitors are cool. I like how sleek it is. It's like super uniformed. It could be one giant ultra wide. They're like super nice. Webcam's cool. My other main complaint is, like, it's cool that this is built into a corner, and it looks nice, like a separate little office. But the screen's so big. Maybe the layout works, but I feel like if you're like off to the side, you can't see the picture because the closet or whatever this wall is. Whatever this wall is blocking it. But maybe this mount pulls out, which would be cool. If it is a pull-out mount, then it's cool. But yeah, you could pull it out and then like rotate it. But other than that, nice, clean, simple, no fuss. 8.5 out of 10, sir. And I think this is the last one. Sorry for my yelling. I was so excited to get away from that ugly desk. And this person did all the work for me. Put all their stuff, the angles, all together. I feel like I saved the best for last. It's not the best, but it's close. Super clean. I like the wood. That's my style. I like woods, dark wood colors and stuff. So I like the wood on the bed. The everything in here is nice. IKEA desk. Try to see what can I find? Cable. Work on that. Well, I guess that's a cable for the clock up there. But you can find another place to put the clock. Like, is this clock on that shelf that important to have that very obvious cable? Put it here. Put it there. Put it over here. If there's an outlet over here. Yeah, you can put that over here and then angle it so anywhere in the room you see the time. Because here it's blocked in certain spots. So yeah, this could be fixed. Your cable management. I'm assuming from this exposed section, your cable management is poo-poo. The technical term, poo-poo. Because yeah, I know this IKEA desk. I don't have it, but you could buy like the Signum or whatever that IKEA under storage thing is, and route your cables very nicely under this desk. You could put them down this pole, super nicely, super clean. Other than that, I forgot there's more angles. I completely neglected this one. I like the chair. That's the same chair I was saying I want to get. Everyone has it. Maybe it's comfortable. If this many people have it, I might buy it. But yeah, super clean. Clean your mouse pad. The flash caught some of the dirt and the dust, so clean your mouse pad. So yeah, this might be, if it wasn't for the cables, I would say this is the best one for the episode. I do like it. Since I gave the other one an 8.5, I'm also gonna give this one an 8.5 because I really like it. I have no complaints. You filled up most of your wall with screen, so I can't say get more artwork because your artwork is covered up by your big ass TV. So your walls are covered by your TV, so you're good there. Maybe do something with this wall, but it's a slanted wall, so you can't really do much without it like risk of falling. Your room, I'm assuming it's a bedroom. I like it. I like the mood. It feels very calming and neutral. 8.5 out of 10. Would have got a 9 if it wasn't for these cables. So fix your cables. Oh no, we had one more. This is the last one. Oh, my bad. Oh, I thought we were finishing with a good one. Well, this is also good, but now I feel like shit for giving that one so much praise. Super clean. I like it. It's a Mac and PC setup because I see the, what do we call those, Mac cubes? I don't know, Apple products. But yeah, this Mac computer, Apple computer, also a gaming computer. You could be a fan of both. No hate. You could be a fan of both. What? Is this a Febreze air freshener plugged into your AC? Dude, if that's actual like car Febreze air freshener in your AC vent, which is really dusty by the way, that is so stupid but smart. If that worked, I might try it. Cause the Febreze air fresheners for your car smell good, but that is janky. And clean your filter, or your vent. Besides that, super clean setup. This cable looks like it's like not attached to anything, so I'm guessing it's just there for something. So get rid of it. Fix the length. I'm getting triggered by this like overhang. Unless you like taped it down or bolted it down and it's too late to move it. Cause yeah, you have enough space to like scoot it over the extra inch to make this even. Other than that, super clean. You definitely did cable management here. Don't know what happened to this cable. Maybe it was a last minute addition. And you're like, oh, I already organized everything else. I'm not gonna add this one cable. I'm the same way. So yeah, your cable management spot on except for this. Giving you a 8 out of 10 on the cable management. Setup's cool. You got the little DeLorean. You got nice symmetrical wall art. You got RGBs. This is gonna be like the highest overall ratings episode. I'm giving you an 8.5 out of 10 too. I would have gave you an 8. I'm giving you the extra half a point because of this Febreze genius idea, but dumb idea. If that's Febreze, maybe it's just a glare. It looks to me like a Febreze car air freshener, like attached to your vent. But enough about that fancy life hack. Yeah, could set up 8.5. And that was it. Hope you enjoy the video. As always, if you're brain fart, if you're featured in this episode and you want credit, let me know. I'll add it in the description. If you want to be included in an upcoming episode, let me know. I'll add it in an upcoming episode. Ow, hit my hand on the wall. And yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good one.